Better Together listeners, you are being called. Come to the front, because Anonymous has a situation. The letter reads, Morning Dombi, please keep me anonymous. I am a trucker who has a problem at home with my wife and her mother. My wife has a brother and sister who are staying with their mother. My wife says her siblings are problematic. As a result, she asked me if her mother could come stay with us for a month so that she is able to take a break from her children who are stressing her currently. I agreed, but her mother never left. She's been staying with us for almost 2 years now, and it started to become a burden for me because I am not free in my own house. According to my culture, there is no way that my mother-in-law can permanently stay with us without a valid reason. It's not acceptable. We have 4 children, 2 of them share a room, and now the youngest child has to sleep on the couch, which I don't like. I've spoken to my wife about this, but everything I say falls on deaf ears. She always has excuses. I don't know what to do, as I don't like talking too much. Even going home after work is not easy anymore. I would like to please ask the Radio 2000 listeners for some advice on how I can handle this challenge. Thank you. So we've got Umamezala staying with Umkhwenyana, and of course there's the daughter, which is the bride, and this was supposed to be for a month, but it is now 2 years. Mamezala doesn't look like she has plans to move out. She's comfortable, but everybody else in that house, not comfortable at all. One of the kids is even sleeping on the couch because Angisho Uma is at home and she needs to be given a room. She needs to be comfortable. Anonymous says, I don't like it. So much so, I don't even enjoy going back home, going to my own home. And I can imagine also, he's a trucker. The job is stressful. He spends long hours on the road. And when he comes back, he just wants to relax, man. And then claps. Now, Mamezala. 086
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Story lesifundzwe anguntombi laphana ku Radio 2000 uyakhala bhodi ukhalisiwa ukuthi bahlala namaketala ekhala lakhe. Maketala ufike amuntu lo hamba ekhala lakhe ngonxa yokuthi abantu abakhe bamhlukubeta mfana nentombatane abamphathi kahle, and then simfatwa bhodi wasuggesta ukuthi okay ngcono maketala tozivakashela ahlale nathi inyanga uto bese ubuyele emuva. Uthi bhodi sekuphele 2 years soloku bahlala namaketala endlini, lutho maketala ukuhamba mntwana buzo sowulala sitting room esofeni because phela likamera olinike maketala ukuthi phela tokhona kulala kahle maketala akhululeke. Uthi bhodi sowukhulumile udzini walukatshela mfati wakhe ukuthi hayibuka nimoka kuhamba nini, it's been 2 years mina ngisakhona nokukhululeka la ndlini because sihlala namakwakho. Uthi nje namfati wakhe umshaya indiva owakafuni njena kumnaka kahle kahle akam entertain. Uthi mfati ungitsheli lokho maketala sowuhleli nabo 2 years wonke phu. Imagine uhlala namaketala endlini for 2 years guys. Abe maketala angaguli yabona ke understanding ukuthi mhlambe maketala usuke ekhala ke because maybe she's sick, uyabo kufuna nimnakekele, like it makes sense ngale ndlela, but abaleke ekhala ke maketala ubaleke abantu abakhe labangeva tohlala nani owehlale nemkhwenyana for 2 years angahamba amuke ekhaya lakhe. That is wild ke sana. Abantu abaningi bamangela lapha enkundleni toqhumana bathi hayi siyaqala kuyiva into lefana nale nayo maketala akaqabanga ngani ngokuthi hayibo kurong phela ukuthi singihleli ekhaya lemkhwenyana, it's been 2 years ngihleli lana angihamba. Akaboni ngani ukuthi umkhwenyana akasakhululeki onokuhamba ngesiso because kunamaketala endlini. So abantu abaningi bathi tekubhuda akahamba elitholela Roma iqashe lahlale khona samuse ukuthi hayibo bhuti thola lomnye mfati nje wona kuyafana nokuthi awunamfati. But honestly speaking guys, this is so sad. This is so sad. I really understand where this guy is coming from. Imagine hlala namaketala endlini for 2 years. Do comment your thoughts when down on the comment section. Uphela ubhuti advice ukuthi kufanele into enjani uma kunje. Mina nawe sibonana kule tag video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.